Oh my!
Yes.
This is Thunderdome right now.
Yes. Go
Is
straight.
your sound?
Yeah, that's
Roll
right.
down your window now.
Yeah, breathe it in, guys.
So bad.
Soak it in.
Where is it? Where is
That's so bad.
California.
I'll get it.
Yeah, Deary just let out the most god awful fart from his ass.
Silently.
And it was completely silent but deadly. And yeah, we're feeling the effects.
It was bad.
Good stuff.